The week that was.
Sarah and George started the week on a high note.
That's my Jifra. Go on.
Which unfortunately was followed by a series of low notes. While they were away, their team got well and truly kicked.
That's life.
That's love.
They weren't good. They just hadn't put enough screws in.
Which meant,
Got to rip the whole lot off.
yep, all the tiles had to come down.
Someone always gets their bathroom tiles ripped out, and I didn't think ever it would be me.
It was us.
It was us.
Welcome to the block.
Oh.
Mate.
The troops rallied to finish the construction, but have Sarah and George done enough with the design to meet their 1940s brief?
I think we nailed it. I think.
I hope so. We got a bloody room to deliver. That's done. I'm very proud of that.
So proud.
Oh, baby, how all I need is my brother. I say I'm gonna get high.
Just when you thought it couldn't get any better.
Wow. This is palatial.
What does that mean?
It's great.
Yes.
Oh, no.
Darren's immediate reaction was, this is just as bloody good as next door.
These tiles are so beautiful. It's so much more subtle in here. It's really soft, and it's the palette of that grey and the white and this beautiful stone look tile on the floor. It's really impactful, but it's also really calming.
Shayna noted that there are 4 different tiles and 4 different shapes.
And how many times have we said, don't have so many different types of tiles? Now, we have square floor, we have small subway version, we have little squares, and then we have long versions of a subway. There are 4 different looks and colours of tiles, plus shapes.
And it works so well.
Yes. But it blends beautifully. And that's what I love about design when you are confident, is that know the rules and break them. And I feel like they've broken the tile rule here and nailed it.
I'm being confident.
See?
Mate.
See?
Yeah.
You always think you don't belong, and you do, mate.
Shayna did have one concern. She was worried the splash from the shower might be an issue.
Like, that's a massive shower head that comes out quite a fair way.
Yeah.
In standing here, the splash out there.
She thinks it probably could have used a door, considering that the shower is at the entrance to the room and a high traffic area. But back to the positives. The judges really struggled to find any other faults with your room today.
Yes.
There is a level of sophistication in here that is really exceptional. In terms of the aesthetic itself, but also in the execution.
It has a calming presence and beautiful selections, and the way it combines together is beautiful.
And creating calm this week is no mean feat.
So, on top of everything else that we've been dealing with this week, they had a personal tragedy, a family tragedy. I can't even begin to imagine where their minds must have been this week.
As Neil reflected, on top of everything else you had to deal with this week, how on earth could you deliver up this on a Sunday morning? They're obviously incredibly strong people, and we all know you are.
Thank you.
Who have a master team working for them to deliver to this standard.
I'd be proud if I owned this home. I'd be proud if I created this bathroom.
If I was Sarah and George, I would be extremely proud of myself and my team, because this is exceptional.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Be proud, guys. Be proud.
Well done.
I wasn't expecting that at all today. That was a really good highlight to the week.